Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back in London for part 2, and this time we're gonna go to the fish market and the meat market. So I'm gonna show you where I source your fish from and the meat, like the goat, the oxtail, the pork, and if we get time we may go to the pharmacy and show you where we get the vegetables from. Stay tuned. So this is Premier Meat in Walthamstow, London. This is where I source a lot of the meat from the goat, that's probably hanging up there, and you have all the nice cuts of beef. They do the chicken as well, but I do not source the pork from here, as you can see is allowed. But we're gonna go down to PH Parsons later on. It's another meat market where I do get the meat from. So let's go inside and say hello. Hi, how are you? Where's Bobby? Day off today? Okay, so looking at your fresh meats and stuff, showing my customers where we get our meat from. So I'll come back and see you in a little bit, okay? Thank you. This is not the big pharmacy that I usually go to get the fresh produce. But as you can see, there is the ripe plantains, the green plantains, which is my favorite. And we got onions here, limes, tomato. But if you come around to the side, come around here now, this is what I'm talking about. Yam, nice pumpkin to put in the soup, chocho. All these are really good superfoods. In Jamaica we call this pear, but avocado. Green bananas, good for you. Packed, super packed with iron, okay? This is good stuff. Because we got the garlic, the ginger, sweet potato, thyme. All this stuff is what goes into your food, and all these are really sourced freshly. Really, really nice stuff. We got some coconut here, fresh coconut. And have you noticed in here, let me find a coconut. Usually the coconut, let me do this. If you look at this, there we go. The coconuts have got 3 eyes, okay? 1, 2, 3. But only one of this can be open. And when you open the one, you can have the juice. Suck the coconut water out of there, which is really good for your heart. Back in the war, or back in the, yes, in the war, they actually use this as saline. All right, hi, how are you guys doing? Cool, cool, cool. So, and then you got the other groceries over there. Sometimes we get the ackee and all that, but let's go to the fish market now and come back here. At the fishmongers right now, sourcing the fish. This is butterfish. This is my favorite fish of all. Steamed butterfish is amazing. As you can see, nice and fresh, very fresh, stiff gills. Look at that. So Easter is coming, and traditionally in Jamaica, Easter time, we fry fish with bami and we eat lots and lots of bun and chips. So I'm gonna buy this fish, and later on when I'm ready I'm gonna fry it and show you how it's done at Easter time in Jamaica. Ready? I'll take this fish. Here you go, sir. And yes, two of those. Can I have a snapper as well? This is the snapper. Red snapper. I'm gonna fry this and cook it and eat it. Lamb soup. Got it from my Jamaican brethren Anthony here in Walthamstow. So this is my lunch. Got some yam in it, carrots, that's the lamb, and I did see some piece of green banana. See there? Piece of green banana here, and this is gonna be delicious. Can you see that steam coming off it? Now we're at the other pharmacy right now. And guess what? I just bumped into guava. Guava is very exotic. I used to make guava jam back home when I was a kid. So I would pick the guava from the tree and I will make guava jam. So this is a nice ask the shopkeeper for. Let's hope I don't cut myself, but I'm gonna try and cut this all the way through. Got to be very careful. It's not very ripe, but this here is very good. But usually it should be pink inside, more orangey, but as you can see, it's still a bit green. But let me have a little taste here and see if it tastes good. It's okay, but it's better when it's from yard, you know? You climb the tree, you pick it, it's ripe, but yeah. But guava. I will be making guava ice cream, by the way, so stay tuned for that one. We got okra and more pears, Scotch bonnet peppers, and one of my favorite, especially this, is good for weight loss, grapefruit. In Jamaica, we have grapefruit as a dessert with condensed milk. That's nice. I will make something one day for you, but this is very good. Losing weight, lots of grapefruit. This is the other meat market where I do get especially the pork from, but also the oxtail is hanging up there. There's leg of pork, there's beef, cutlets of meat, all fresh. So this is where also I source the meat from. I'm gonna go pay for the meat and get cracking. So just heading back now to the restaurant, picked up all the meat. I hope you enjoy this video of me showing you how we source your food. What I would like you to do now is to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.